Need to wager that there is a hole in this huge universe? So awful, UD incline in the bearing of mindlessness. This spot is dauntingly enormous, void, infertile and remembered for mystery to innovative expertise. We want to set out on a whimsical journey through the enormous plans. Together we start on the planet, our homegrown home. Planet, our spaceship climb leaving the sun-based controlled structure, passing by means of impressive planets like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, leaving them heliosphere. We venture into the interstellar medium, leaving our sun-powered fueled system of extended ways at the rear of. Our endeavor takes us more prominent, significant into the splendid broadness of our universe, the smooth way here. We revel in stars in impossible amount, some decorated with extraordinary names like Alpha Place or Sirius. We explore celebrity-studded mists, run over strange darkish openings, and the wondrous birth of stars. And extended techniques beyond our worldwide, we spot further lots of stars. We view the Andromeda Global, the little, also huge Melanic fogs and other distant vast designs. Seeing a beast get-together of universes alluded to as the Virgo Worldwide Organization. We witness how those numerous universes are interconnected through gravity. We notice universes affecting each other, attracting, moving, and, when in a while, merging in a spellbinding galactic dance. The Virgo machine pack with more than 300 universes works the tremendousness and structure of frameworks inside the universe. First, our adventure perseveres to a supercluster of enormous designs, the Shapley supercluster, of which our perfect way is a piece constituent. This enormous organization of vast gadget companies, related through hid strings of dull count number houses, numerous grandiose gadget associations, and a huge assortment of grandiose designs. We check fiber-out frameworks coordinating universes and bundles of their way. As we venture farther, we experience a mysterious close-by of the universe, a pit of such monster extents that it stuns us. This void, the dipole repeller by region specialists, bafflingly influences the development of infinite structures and most likely gives to the universe's accelerated improvement. However, its right nature stays muddled. Examiners suspect it fills in as an vague, far-reaching guide sizable for the security of the universe. The dipole repeller thought emerged in 2017 when space experts drove through UD Hoffman proposed its presence, drawing on records from the 2-mass redshift assessment, also the Boundless Streams 3 posting. Cosmologists have medico-examined the surface of our known universe. These examinations, spreading over years, have tried the dispersal and development of universes inside the galactic web. The mass redshift outline data, the ghost SH shift of millions of universes, enabling stargazers to find their distance and speed in region. Universes backing down from us shift toward the pink reach, simultaneously as those coming showcase up moderately blue. The Cosmic Streams 3 posting bases on the examination and stream of frameworks in our great measured neighborhood. Its information unequivocally depicts infinite development, uncovering diverse instances of streams and joint efforts among huge plans. Very much like the more noteworthy ranch truck and the dipole repeller, the marvelous attractor arranged around the focal point of the hydrocenter supercluster applies tremendous gravitational effect on adjoining enormous designs. On the other hand, the dipole repeller shocks frameworks much like a huge vortex forming the different-sided elements of our universe. The exchange among these two materials yields convoluted vast propensities inside our known universe. These days, we parent out that the total inside the universe is in consistent development. What is more prominent, motion, however, the exact positions of the attractor and repeller stay obscure to researchers. Besides, questions persist with respect to whether those are the greatest plans or, of course, if significantly more incredible gadgets exist. Simultaneously as investigating guides of the universe's creation, another astounding divulgence emerges. The plans go through a hanging similitude to natural components, their shapes call relationships with mind, or snail shells. Such imagery brings up huge issues. Ought to our universe possibly be an extraordinary arrangement like an enormous dwelling presence? Shape with us simple components compared to mitochondria inward its vast cells. Answers to those solicitations could likewise get away from us for heaps of years. Indeed, even hundreds of years. Attractors and repellers, while executed, possibly exist. Specialists portray the dipole repeller as it were cooling, to such an extent that despite a spaceship furnished with arch power, one could shudder on the chance of meandering their downturn. Neglected and shrouded in mystery, the dipole repeller remains as a truly hunch and dim area of the universe. Interior, this confusing region, astronomical frameworks show up repelled by an indistinct, foreboding strength. What is this energy? What has the shocking potential to expel entire grandiose framework superclusters into the endless void? The universe appears to hold onto confidential plan and the possibility of a creepy, nearly void area. Ordinarily, pushing universes into the void gives us unsolvable conundrums. Seeing the separation of universes, one finds that all, virtually all, that in the universe searches for alliance. Yet, the dipole repeller remains a whimsical exclusion. What different explanation does this jumbling void serve? What exists in it? Is there a more prominent, significant thinking for its dazzling nature? Related to the comparably astounding voids, these voids or cosmological considerations have for quite some time been seen. Voids adapt to colossal breadths in the universe wherein the main part of universes and depend is very low. While appearing empty, they probably may not be in reality missing all possible substance. Research proposes they may hold segments of insights to getting a handle on faint power. With some contribution, they may indeed even go about as patches to look like universes or, on the other hand, elective parts. Other than a couple of bet that incredible civilizations can likewise remain inside those voids, handling the energy of complete vast frameworks for their works. Such considerations laid out in hypotheses going again a couple of years fuel great discussions about the universe's privileged insights and the capacity covered inside its gigantic shows. At these theories, or speculative particularly, frame how those enormous structures task the limits of our sensible recognizing. Stargazers, what is more prominent, cosmologists, are enthusiastically looking throughout answers from each accessible inventory. Yet, which occupations really do diminish matter and dull show of dominance? It would sound marvelous. However, it's truly our entire cosmological shape is predicated with the data of two powers, which have avoided direct yet discernment. Dull depend indistinguishable to our schools applies a gravitational power that significantly impacts a parent count number inside the universe. And world bundles reality be educated containing the greater part is standard of issue inside the universe, forming the stage for enormous and huge designs. In the mediating time, dull strength goes roughly as a counterforce riding the accelerated expansion of the universe and pushing frameworks isolated for enormous, tremendous degrees. This substitute among faint subjects' gravitational pull and faint energies, awful energy shapes, eccentricities like the dipole repeller, also the voids in the universe not enduring their impalpability. These powers' higher, straightforward impact over the universe. Improvement and fate unwinding the insider facts of dumb count. Moreover, inept energy is pivotal to loosening up the limitless enigma. Can be from now on will comprehend the beginning variables of the universe's wonder and tastefulness and grasp the powers that help its wondrous by and by. Imagine encountering universe seeming to be a penguin or one that seems to spit at its neighbors. The universe is loaded with frameworks showing additional unique shapes and strategies for acting. We want to set out on a visit through the universe to investigate the 10 generally odd and surprising inestimable designs ever. Take as a model NGC 2936, a global participating with its round-formed neighbor NGC 2937 together, they shape a spellbinding sight similar as a penguin or a dolphin dependent upon one's perspective. The curving framework center flashes like the eye of a dolphin while its fuel, what's more, build-up cloud add to its setting appearance. This sublime dance between infinite designs, for the most part pulling at each other, yields a presentation each adorable and bewildering than theirs. The disappointing Ryuan gadget found by region proficient Vera Rubin. This unusually huge curving machine gets going developed different inquiries challenging our perception of infinite elements and headway. With each disclosure, the universe unveils its endless imagination, helping us to do not fail to remember the rousing assortment and unpredictability that enter the universe. This improvement reveals extra features as an illustration. Dusty hands putting pink, characteristic of ionized hydrogen. Furthermore, first-class blue stars ordinarily inside its unmistakably degree-shaped ruin. Global, in some other case alluded to as 885, is no doubt framed through a combination of fuel aggregation and minor global associations. Perceptions coordinated with the Hubble Region Telescope show a constant, continuous expansion of gas. A remarkable occasion for a gadget of its size. Vera Rubin, the trailblazer, thought that the inestimable design's meandering aimlessly, winding arms made due to the setback of bigger, including frameworks, allowing it to transparently make greater. Rubin's vast device.